Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Welcome back to another online money making video right here at NonStop Money TV. And today, what I'm going to be sharing with you is how to earn up to $100 per hour with this one very simple money making technique. Now, understand one thing, you guys, this is 100% free. This works worldwide, and I'm going to show you what to do step by step through this entire video. That's why it's extremely important that you stick with me through the entire video, you guys, so that this works. I'm going to give you everything that you need to succeed right here, packed in this video. So without further ado, if you're excited to start making money online, then let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, now I hope you're excited because I cannot wait to get this information out to you. Now, before I actually reveal to you step by step exactly what we're going to be doing, it's extremely important that you are subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification, because I'm coming out with videos just like the one that you're watching right now every single week, teaching you tons of awesome, great money-making methods, you guys. This is what this channel is all about, is how to make money online. Also, make sure that you crush that thumbs up. That is extremely important. Make sure you drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. All of these activities help to grow this channel and get this information out to as many people as possible. Because at the end of the day, you guys, that's what I'm passionate about, is teaching how to make money online. You guys understand one thing. If you know anything about my story, is that I struggled for so many years, you guys, 15 years trying to figure out how to make money online. Don't do what I did. Get started right now making money online right here at NonStop Money TV. Now, let's get into this just as promised. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to need some tools. So step number one is you need to come over to this website right here called Google Trends. You can simply Google this. It will bring you over here. Now, what's cool about this is it's going to show you trends about how popular certain subjects are that people are searching for. Now, I happen to have done some research. Now, I want you to understand one thing. You need to follow the steps in this video precisely. And once you've learned this, you can repeat these same steps for different topics that people, that you happen to know that people are searching for constantly online. You can do this research right here with the tools that I'm giving you. Now, in this example, the term that I'm going to be plugging in here is debt relief. And the reason that I'm using this is because I already know that this is a very highly searched term, and there's a lot of folks that could use some help in debt relief. So what we're going to do is we're going to type debt relief right into here, and we're going to search just how popular this is. And now you can see right here, once we've Googled this through Google Trends, right, you can see that this is on an upward trend right here, and that there's a lot of folks searching for debt relief. Now, since we know this, what we're going to do next, this is where the money comes in, right? This is the data that shows us that this is a very hot search term, and there's a lot of folks that could use some debt relief right now. So we're going to come over here to this website right here. This is step number 2. We're going to come over to Offer Vault. Now, what you want to do when you get here is, now understand one thing first. Offer Vault is basically an affiliate marketing platform, and you can come on here and be an affiliate for all kinds of really great products 100% free without having to pay anything at all. So what we're going to be searching for on here is debt relief, right? We want products that have to do with debt relief because we know we have a whole customer base, a whole bunch of people that need help with debt relief right now. So now what we need is a product that's going to help them with that, and a high ticket one that's going to pay us a lot of money. So the one that we're going to find on here right now is one that's going to pay us up to $100 an hour or more just for getting somebody on a phone call. And this is very simple to do. Don't worry. If you think that that's going to be difficult, it's really not, because we're going to get a link from Offer Vault right here by becoming an affiliate, and we're going to get that in front of thousands of people's eyeballs, people clicking on that constantly, so that you can make a significant amount of money. So come over here to offervault.com. And now once you arrive here, what we want to type in is debt relief right here. We're going to type in debt relief because that's what we're after. So debt relief. And now, as you can see, let me move this camera right here. There is tons of different products that have to do with debt relief, right? So IRS tax debt relief, pay per call. A lot of these have to do with just getting somebody on a phone call, and you're going to make anywhere from $95, $40, $35. But I want to focus on this one right here. I like this one a lot. This is IRS tax debt relief, pay per call exclusive, $100 per lead. Now, I like that because I want to make $100 per hour. So what we're going to do next is you can see right here a little bit about the details and how this works, and they're going to pay you literally pay per call $100, and this works in the United States, right? This is folks in the United States. You can search for other ones that pay for other countries as well, but for this example, I'm just going to use the United States. Now, what you want to do next is you want to sign up for this and get your affiliate link. So what we're going to click on right here is Join Network, and it's going to load this page right here for us. And this is for Aragon Advertising, right? They're going to give us our affiliate link. This is a URL that we're going to basically copy and paste on some verbiage that I'm going to provide you in this video, because I promised you guys that I was going to give you everything that you need to succeed in this video. So what you want to do next here is you want to provide your name, your last name, your email address, and just fill this out, right? Fill as much of it out as you possibly can. If you don't have a website, that's fine. You only need to fill out the ones that have an asterisk. And then what's going to happen is these guys are going to give you your own affiliate link now that uniquely identifies you, so that every time somebody clicks on that, picks up the phone and makes a phone call, you're gonna get paid $100 just for getting them on the phone and providing these people a lead with debt relief. So you're solving people's problems, you're helping folks out, and you're gonna get paid very well for doing this. So now that we've filled out this form right over here and we've got our own unique affiliate link that's going to pay us up to $100 per hour just for getting leads, we have to get that link in front of thousands of eyeballs, right? Targeted audience. We have to bring all the customers to them because that's what we said we were going to do. Now, how are we going to do this? How can we do it for free? Now, this is a really cool technique, and it's very, very important, like I said, that you follow this step by step. So what we're going to do next is we're going to come over to Facebook. And now when you arrive on Facebook, what you want to search for is this gentleman right here, Mr. Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey is a gentleman that used to be in a ton of debt, and he dug himself out of debt, and he's teaching other people how to do this. And he has a huge following. As you can see, 4.4 million people that follow Mr. Dave Ramsey right here, and they're all looking for debt relief. So this is a great place for us to actually get our word out and post our link. However, you can't just start joining a bunch of different groups and just spamming your link around, otherwise you'll get kicked out and you'll get shut down. So I'm going to show you a technique around that so that we don't look spammy and that this works flawlessly, you guys. So another tip as well is you don't want to follow just Dave Ramsey. You want to join these other groups as well, right? Dave Ramsey Financial Peace, Dave Ramsey's Military, Dave Ramsey Baby Steps Community. All of these have huge followings, 366,000 members, 31,000, 55,000. You can also, this is key as well. This is a very targeted audience right here. You also want to search Dave Ramsey's large debt burden bearers, right? This is very, very targeted. They have 8.5 thousand members in that one. Just a bunch of great groups right here. Now, another really cool one to follow is just simply follow debt relief communities. You can see hashtag debt free community, 13,000 members, financial debt relief, 313 members. And then this one right here, Freedom Debt Relief, 218,000. Now, the reason that we're following these groups, you guys, is because this is a targeted audience. This is a whole community of people that is looking for debt relief, and that's what we want to get, right? We want people that have a problem, and we're going to solve it for them and give them our link and connect them to some folks that can get them tax debt relief or debt relief of more than $10,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to join all those communities. Now, once we do this, you don't want to just spam your link around in there. What you want to do is you want to post a comment, and the comment that we're going to post is not just our link, right? We can't just do that because, like I said, you're going to get kicked out. So what we're going to do is we're going to comment on in those communities with a comment such as this. And we're going to post this, you guys. And you can use this word for word. I'm giving you permission to use this word for word. Use this post. And what it says right here is this post is only for people with these. 1, high interest debt, IRS tax debt, 5,000 or more in debt that you need to eliminate, or ready to wipe the slate clean and enjoy the freedoms of having debt. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to filter out all the people that we don't want, because we're getting a targeted audience and we're putting it in front of a ton of people, right? So this is going to filter out everyone that we don't want. And then what we're going to say is, I finally found a simple solution. Thousands have been able to relieve their tax debts in under 1 hour by working closely with this company. It has been a safe haven for me. Clear my debts. If you would like me to send you the direct contact, there are limited spots available, right? Because we want to make it seem like it's scarce so that people jump on the opportunity right away. And we also want them to comment. This is very important as well, because what that's going to do is that's going to push our post up to the top. The more comments that we have, the more it's going to push our post up to the top. Now, getting our post pushed to the top is exactly what we want, because we're going to get even more visibility. More people are going to comment. Now, this next step is extremely important as well. Every single one of these steps is extremely important. That's why I told you to watch this video all the way through. So what we're going to do next is everybody that comments, we're going to friend them, and then we're going to reach out to them via direct message, and we're going to provide them the affiliate link that they were requesting, right? They want to know how to solve their debt problem, and we're going to connect them with those folks. So we're going to provide them our affiliate link. Now, every time one of those folks clicks on that and they get connected to our affiliate offer, the folks that are going to solve their problem and help them get out of debt, we're going to get paid. Every time they pick up the phone and make a phone call, we make $100, you guys. So this is an excellent opportunity to make $100 per hour or more. Now, if you want to do what I'm doing and you want to take this to the next step, and you want an autopilot system that literally is going to generate you $10,000 a week, $1,000 a day, some folks are even making $1 million a year. If you want to do that, then what you want to do is click on the link directly in the top of this description, you guys. This is my #1 recommendation, chadbennettlive.com. Type that into your web browser if you like as well, but it's in the top of the description. If you click on that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect you with some folks that will teach you a system that you can implement that will show you how to do this completely on autopilot and make $10,000 a week or more. Now, this is the lifestyle that I've always dreamed of, and I want you to understand one thing. You know, I've been at this a really long time, and I'm just like you in the sense that I know what it's like to come from the bottom and to want something and to want a real life of freedom where you can quit your 9 to 5, you know, have more time with your family, your kids, your wife, your spouse, whatever, and, you know, just really get time back on your side so that you can work from anywhere in the world when you want, and you can fire your boss and quit your 9 to 5, you guys. That's what this is all about. That's what this channel is ultimately all about, is I want to set as many people free as I possibly can. And I spent so long trying to do that, 15 years of failing, wasting my money and my time. And I just want to give you something that's legit and honest. And that's exactly where you want to get started. So once you click on that, you guys, what's going to happen is it's going to ask for your name and email address. Provide those. Get started today. Now, if you're all like me, you guys, I just want to be completely honest. When I was, getting started making money online, what I was looking for, honestly, was just something that was going to show me step by step exactly what I needed to do. I wanted to learn from some experts, that had the winning recipe. And all I wanted to do was copy that, just implement that, right? If you want to do anything successfully, even if it's just baking a cake, you just follow a successful ingredient and you're going to get similar results. And that's exactly what's happening right here on Legendary Marketer. This gentleman right above me, Mr. Dave Sharp, understand one thing here. This guy he was like near death at one point. He was a drug addict. He worked in the hot summer sun of Florida. I mean, he had all kinds of, crazy obstacles, and he was able to pull himself out of that with affiliate marketing and start a business and teach other folks how to do this. And what's cool about this is he's going to show you step by step with his team how exactly to implement this. It takes 15 days. It's the Business Builder Challenge. And within 15 days, you're going to have your own online affiliate marketing business that, you're set up for success. And the first thing that you want to do when you're getting started is you want to come right over here to where it says schedule now. You want to click on that and you want to book your phone call. That's extremely important. 99% of the folks that are succeeding really fast are the ones that book their phone call. They reach out to their mentor that's going to help them through this 15-day business challenge that we're looking at right here. And they're going to get you set up for success. And you will find success right here, you guys. This is all about honesty and integrity. Understand one thing, it's not get rich quick. It's going to take some work on your behalf. But if you're serious and you really want to break free from your 9 to 5 and you want a life of freedom, this is where it happens right here. So check that link out in the top of the description. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found a ton of value in this video because it was definitely packed in here. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, that you hit that bell notification, and that you've dropped me a comment. Share this with your friends, your family, anyone who wants to make money online. That's what this channel is all about, you guys. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.